Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick demo of an agent that I created. It basically has two tools. One is to create a HTML project, and one is to create a Python project. And the agent has the capability to think that which tool it should use to create what kind of project based on the prompt. Let's start. So I will just start my agent by running python app.py. Okay, so agent is now running on local. We reload. Okay, the agent is now running. So let's say I start with giving a prompt that I want to create a website for my shop. My shop name is, I'll just give some random name, let's say Shoeland. So the website should have few products on display along with name, price, and picture of the product. So based on this prompt, the agent will think on what action to take. Right now, I have given the prompt, and right now the agent is processing the prompt. So based on that, it has given a thought to create a website for the shop name Shoeland. I will use the create project tool to create an HTML project. I'll need to define the HTML structure that include product name, price, and picture. For simplicity, I add a few dummy products. So now, as you can see in the step one, the agent has given a thought that it will use a create project tool. So I have already told you that it has two tools. One is a create project, one is a create Python project. Now create project works with the HTML part, and create Python project tool works with the Python project part. So based on that, it has created a code, and using that tool, in the second step, it says that the website has been successfully created, and next step is to verify the content of index.html, and after verifying it has given the final answer that Shoeland website has been successfully created. Let's check. Okay, so Shoeland folder is now created here. As you can see, since it is green, so it is just been created. Let us explore it in File Explorer on this with Chrome. Okay, so it has created a dummy website or dummy HTML page with three products, uh, each with some dummy name, dummy image, and some random price. Now with the same agent, if I give an input like this, that I want a project that takes an CSV as input and modify the CSV by adding two new rows, let's say name and age. After modifying it, after modifying the CSV file, it saves the file to output.csv. Okay. Now I have given it this input here, as you can interpret from the prompt that majorly data manipulation part is involved here rather than creating a website. So here the agent is given a thought to create a Python project. It has like automatically it has think that it needs to create a Python project for this, and it will use a create Python project tool, like I previously told you. So there are two tools, one is create project, one is create Python project. So it has taken the create Python project tool, it has written the code here, and in the second step it says that modify CSV project has been successfully created. Let us check. Okay, so modify CSV is now created. This is script.py. What it does is it takes the input CSV as parameter and open the file for reading, append some rows, and and it write it to the output file. So yeah, that's about the agent that I created. It has some other tools as well. Um, you can see one is to scrape news, other is to visit website, web search. You can comment below if you want a full tutorial on this, and I will create a tutorial with all the steps involved, with all the models that I have used and how to create your own agent. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.